Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thank you for joining me. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And in this video, I'm going to show you this little treat bag that I thought would be perfect for a game night with family or friends, and to put some little mints in and just to have on your table. It is using the Game On stamp set that I just love. My husband loves playing games and cards and chess, and so I had to get this set. And so let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how to make this little treat bag that would hold a few little candies or mints or whatever, just something small. Okay. All right, so I'm getting my Simply Score tool, and I have a piece of the In Good Taste Designer Series paper, and it is cut at 3 by 6, okay? And so what we're going to do is we're going to score it on the 6-inch side up at the top. It is scored at 1 3/4, 2 3/4, 4 1/2, oops, and 5 1/2. Okay, then we're going to turn it and score it at 1 inch. This will be the little bag bottom, so if your paper has directionality, you want to turn it to the left side and put this 1 inch score with what will be the bottom. Okay, so now we're going to take our bone folder and just give it a good crease on all of those score lines. Okay, so now we're going to take our paper snips and we're going to cut up. First, we're going to cut off this end here, this little rectangle formed by that 5 1/2 inch score. And then I'm going to cut up to that 1 inch score on all of the rest of these score lines, these intersecting score lines here. Okay, so now let's take some adhesive and put like that, and then we're going to match these two sides. Okay, and there's the shape of our box, and then we're going to fold in the two side tabs, and then where the seam is here, that's the back of the bag, so you're going to fold that in first and then this side. Okay, so there is our little bag, and we're going to pinch in by just pushing in with our index fingers like that, and then you take a hole punch, and I am just going to use an old Crop-A-Dile, and I'm going to center it and come down about 1/4 inch and punch. And of course you would put your treats in there, and then take a ribbon or twine that you can put through that little punched hole, just like that, and voila, there we go. So then you can trim this off as you like if you don't want those that long. And there we go. All right, so now let's decorate the front. So let me find my seam. There's the back, this is my front. And so we're going to use the dice from the set, and I already have them mounted somewhere. Here they are. All right, and we're going to use Night of Navy ink, which is some of the color in this In Good Taste paper. Beautiful paper. So let me just cut off a piece of Whisper White scrap, and we're going to ink up the dice and stamp. And I love how it has that little distressed and look. And then we're going to take another stamp that's in that set. It says, "Hope your day is all fun and games." We'll go ahead and stamp that too now. We'll be using part of that. And now I'm going to take my snips, and we're going to just fussy cut this out. So let's see. And so I'm leaving about an 1/8 of an inch or so around the image, like that. And we'll use that. And then we're going to just use Fun and Games. So I'm going to cut that out just around it, in between the other words of the sentiment. And that will be our little Fun and Games on our front of our little treat bag. So next I've got some Night of Navy cardstock and the Label Me Fancy punch. And I'm going to punch that label out. And that's going to be our background. So let's take some glue or just some adhesive will be fine. Some of our Stampin' Seal. And we're going to put that right there. And then I put it over there to the right because I'm going to angle this Fun and Games. Let me do this over here. And angle that like that. And then let's take our little bag. And I think what I'm going to do here, let me go ahead and put Stampin' Seal all the way across. And then put that on. Okay, and so you could make these ahead of time and just not adhere the bottom, store them flat. And then when you're ready to use them, punch the hole, put the ribbon in, and then adhere the bottom together. And then you'd have some cute little favors or treat holders for your game night. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com. And if you need any of the supplies to make this project, the product list will be there, or you can email me at lisa@inkandinspirations.com. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.